You gonna take that for a spin? Oh yeah. Where's he going? Is he going left? He's gonna come this way. Yo, that sounds mean. Oh, rest in peace, Onzo. Mad. Am I neutral? Yes. Ooh. Well, it feels... ergonomically, it feels so different. I think I'm just gonna... I'm in fourth. Wow. Like, that's the pull from... Wow. Wow. I'm just gonna spend the whole thing saying, wow. Say something constructive. This is really nice. I'm just gonna work on my stance. I'm gonna grip that tank with my knees. It's such a luxury having a tank between my legs. Yeah, I don't get a tank. You can just sit there like this with your elbow on the tank. Wow, I feel like a boss. Actually, in the comments, tell me what you think I should get next. I've had the DRZ for 2 years. I'm a little bit on the fence as to whether I should I stick with Supermoto, or should I get a sports bike? Should I get a naked? Do I go old man and get an adventure bike? What do they say? Kiss the mirror. I don't even know how to sit on this bike. Sam looks like he's having fun, so that makes me happy. Stop doing wheelies better than me. So Sam has bought an LC4, a KTM, and that's why he's trying out the Sumo, because he bought a dirt bike. So he's like, I want to get into that Sumo lifestyle, bro. Where's the indicator there? I'm on a sports bike, go easy. Don't want to bottom out on anything. I've lost the indicator. Oh. One thing I do recommend is not riding a full-on sports bike in dirt gear. He's pretty standing on the kickstand, which is making the kill switch go off. Uh-oh, feet down, landing gear. Right, my turn. Peekaboo!
What were you saying?
I was saying second gear at 40 for them sick clutch ups.
Oh, does it? That's well fun, huh? What do you think of that?
Oh, it's so... I'm so not wearing the right gear for it. But...
Did you get it, like...
Oh, I only went up to 6. But just there, it felt like there's like another power band. I was just like, alright, let's go. Yeah. Bruh, oh, so smooth. There is so much there. Yeah. And my riding style is... I was like, do I kiss the mirror? How do I get off the... It just felt so foreign. Oh, no, that was wicked. Suzuki Bros. You look like you were having fun though.
Yeah, fuck yeah. Give it a bit and then you like, yeah, like pull up on it, like front wheel. I mean, probably only coming up like that much, but like, feels like you had me, you know. But like, I keep cutting out.
Yeah, you were standing on the kickstand.
Oh.
The cable tie that I have on there has come off. Oh, put some tunes on. Window seal. Yo, that was awesome. Shot, Sam. Should I get a Gixxer? What do you reckon? I'd love to be able to get some seat time, you know? Get some corners in. And T2 lane. Turn your lights on, you idiot. Oh, I'm gonna get stuck behind the truck. There's so many. Look at these cute little lights. I'm gonna die. Damn, you cannot see that. It's very hard to judge your depth perception when there's no... What are we waiting for, champ? There we go. It's very hard to judge your depth perception when there's no container on it. Maybe we'll get some bad drivers. I can point them out. We can do a snowcat run. I can't even, eh? Did I say A lot? We could play who's in the fast lane when they should be. Well, first off, that's me. There we go, fix that. We can play who doesn't have the lights on yet. We can play who's texting and driving. We got some vigorous lane changing going on up here. The Bentley has been cut off by the Corolla for no reason other than he didn't want to be in the left lane anymore. That seems to be the most popular cause of lane change, I think. Well, ins and outs, we've got a merge lane. He's going into the middle. It's all go. It's all go. The Fit has gone right. The Nissan Leaf van has jumped 2 lanes. We've got a Golf in the left lane with no lights on. This is too good. Do I tell him that? I should, because I'm a considerate fellow. Turn your lights on. What a knob. And now I'm undertaking. What a reckless individual. But again, we all just chill in the right-hand lane like it's our complete right. People don't know how to get up to speed on on-ramps as well. They come onto the highway. They come onto the highway at like 70 or 80, not doing the speed limit. If you've got a big-ass boat like that, dude, I understand. But we are no longer in the early 2000s. Please stay in your lane. Tiana, what are you doing? There's a gap on the left. Please use it. Okay, you might be trying to pass someone now. They're doing 96. Again, this is New Zealand driving. I'm not going to move. You can do it. You're almost there. You're almost on the white line. You're doing so well. Come on, 69, 69. No, don't speed up. Get in the left lane. I sit here so that I can see down the side of the car. Often you can see through them. See, you can see through them because he's got clear windows. All you drivers who tint your windows, God, dang you. Right, he's got the whole left lane to himself. Is he going to use it? The answer looks like a no. Oh no, I've been proved wrong. Exciting developments on the Southern this evening. And we're up to a high speed of 114 kilometers an hour. And like a courteous person, I'll jump in the left lane. Unlike the Swift all the way up here, who has the whole motorway to himself, but feels entitled to sit in the fast lane. Did I tell you New Zealand drivers are bad? Krispy Kreme donuts! Why? Come on! Come on, girl. You don't need to be in the middle lane. Hey, she stopped. I'll give her that. She should have shoulder checked before she indicated. Right, do I make a point? I should have. Vigilante justice. Go driving school and you're in the wrong lane. The irony is so thick. Get out of the fast lane, you... There you go. Give them an ironic high five. Good driving. I had a coffee. I'm feeling good. I don't drink coffee.
You ever thought about decaffeinated coffee?
I don't drink coffee.
Awesome. Thanks for watching, guys and girls. We'll catch you on the next one.